The words you speak to yourself have an incredible power that can shape your reality. How you talk to yourself influences your mindset, energy, and what you attract into your life. Powerful affirmations can shift your inner dialogue, align your energy, and help you attract all that you desire. Let's explore how speaking positively to yourself can transform your life and bring you closer to your dreams. What you say to yourself daily holds more weight than you might realize. Words have an energy that can influence your thoughts, emotions, and actions. When you speak to yourself with love, kindness, and encouragement, you start to shift your vibration toward positivity. This, in turn, helps you attract the people, opportunities, and experiences that align with your highest good. Affirmations are a simple yet powerful tool to reshape your inner narrative. By consistently repeating positive statements, you reprogram your mind to believe in your worth, abilities, and potential. When you believe you are deserving of the best, you begin to see the world through a lens of abundance and possibility. The key is consistency. Just like any habit, practicing affirmations regularly can create lasting changes. The more you speak positively to yourself, the more your energy aligns with what you want to manifest in your life. Speaking kindly to yourself is an essential practice of self-love. Too often, people are harsh critics of themselves, focusing on perceived flaws or failures. By using affirmations, you can shift your mindset from self-doubt to self-compassion. Repeating statements like, "I am worthy of love and success," or "I trust myself to make the right decisions," helps build a foundation of self-acceptance. Self-love affirmations empower you to recognize your value and accept who you are. When you cultivate a deep sense of self-love, you no longer seek validation from others. You realize that you are enough just as you are, and you start attracting positive experiences and relationships that reflect this belief. By speaking to yourself with love and respect, you are sending a message to the universe that you are worthy of everything you desire. This positive energy draws in the people, opportunities, and success that align with your true self. Negative self-talk can be a major barrier to attracting what you desire. The inner critic that constantly doubts, criticizes, or belittles you only serves to hold you back. Recognizing this pattern is the first step in breaking free from it. With the power of affirmations, you can shift your thoughts from negativity to empowerment. For example, instead of saying, "I can't do this," try saying, "I am capable of overcoming any challenge." Changing these thoughts might feel unnatural at first, but with practice, they become your new truth. Over time, the positive affirmations will outweigh the negative, and your mind will start to believe in your ability to succeed. When you speak to yourself with kindness and encouragement, you activate your potential. You begin to see solutions instead of obstacles, opportunities instead of challenges. This shift in mindset is essential for attracting everything you desire into your life. Gratitude is one of the most powerful emotions you can feel. When you speak of affirmations that include gratitude, you raise your vibration and attract more things to be grateful for. For instance, saying, "I am thankful for the abundance flowing into my life," or "I am grateful for the love and support I receive," sends a powerful signal to the universe that you are open to receiving more. Gratitude in affirmations helps you focus on what is already good in your life, which in turn draws more goodness toward you. The more grateful you are, the more abundance and positivity flow into your life. By incorporating gratitude into your affirmations, you make room for even more to come. When you express gratitude, you acknowledge that what you have is enough, and in doing so, you open yourself up to receiving even more. This practice enhances your ability to attract everything you desire. One of the most common desires people have is attracting abundance, whether it's financial, emotional, or physical. Affirmations can be a powerful tool in manifesting abundance into your life. By speaking affirmations like, I am open to receiving unlimited abundance, or I am worthy of all the wealth and success that comes my way, you begin to align yourself with the energy of prosperity. Abundance is not just about money. It's about attracting the richness of life, good health, fulfilling relationships, and personal growth. When you use affirmations to manifest abundance, you are inviting all forms of prosperity into your life. The key is to believe that you are deserving of all that you wish for. The more you speak these affirmations, the more you open yourself up to receiving. Abundance begins to flow to you in unexpected ways, and you start to realize that the universe is supporting your desires. If you're seeking love or looking to improve your relationship, speaking positive affirmations about love can create the foundation for attracting healthy connections. Statements like, I am worthy of a loving and supportive relationship, or I attract love and positivity into my life, can help you set the tone for the relationships you want to manifest. When you speak these affirmations, you start to believe that you deserve the love and care you seek. This belief attracts people who resonate with your energy and values, creating a harmonious connection. Your inner belief in love makes it easier to open up to new relationships and strengthen existing ones. The key is to speak from a place of self-respect and self-worth. When you honor yourself, you attract people who will do the same. This mindset allows you to build relationships that are supportive, loving, and fulfilling. Confidence is magnetic. When you believe in yourself, you radiate an energy that attracts opportunities and success. Using affirmations like, I am confident and capable, or I trust myself to make the best decisions, helps you develop the self-assurance needed to move forward in life. Confidence also allows you to take risks, knowing that you have the strength to overcome challenges. By affirming your abilities, you strengthen your belief in yourself, which opens the door for new opportunities. As your confidence grows, you naturally begin to attract situations and people that reinforce this belief. The more you affirm your confidence, the more you'll see it reflected in your life. Confidence becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy, and the more you believe in yourself, the more success and positive outcomes you will draw toward you. Daily affirmations are one of the best ways to create and maintain a positive mindset. The more you affirm your strengths, abilities, and desires, the more you will begin to see those qualities in yourself. Whether it's I am worthy of success or I am at peace with myself, these positive statements ground you in the present moment and remind you of your power. A consistent affirmation practice can help you face challenges with a positive attitude. When you affirm your ability to handle any situation, you shift your perspective from one of limitation to one of possibility. This positive mindset makes it easier to attract the things you desire, as you are aligned with the energy of abundance and success. Building a daily affirmation habit doesn't take much time, but the impact can be profound. With each day, you reinforce your belief in yourself, your goals, and your ability to attract everything you desire. Doubt and limiting beliefs can often be the biggest obstacles to attracting your desires. If you believe that you are not worthy or capable, it becomes harder to manifest the life you want. Affirmations can help you dismantle these negative beliefs and replace them with empowering thoughts. Saying, I am worthy of everything I desire, or I am capable of achieving my dreams, challenges the doubts that hold you back. The process of changing these beliefs takes time, but the more you affirm your worth and abilities, the more your mindset shifts. As your self-confidence grows, you naturally start to see more opportunities and successes in your life. Affirmations act as a powerful tool to break free from old thought patterns and create new, empowering beliefs. By repeating positive affirmations, you reprogram your subconscious mind to align with the truth of your potential. Manifestation is the process of turning your dreams into reality, and affirmations are a vital part of that process. By speaking words of intention, such as, "I am aligned with my desires," or "Everything I want is already on its way," you create a clear path for your dreams to come to fruition. Affirmations help you stay focused on your goals and remain aligned with your desires, attracting them into your life. Manifesting isn't about wishing for something and waiting. It's about aligning your thoughts, feelings, and actions with your desires. When you speak affirmations, you create a mental and emotional alignment that opens the doors for manifestation. The universe responds to your energy, and what you affirm will begin to take shape in your life. The more consistently you affirm your desires, the quicker they will manifest. Your belief in your ability to manifest what you want creates a powerful magnetic field that draws everything into your reality. Your words are a reflection of your inner world, and by speaking positively to yourself, you open the door to a life filled with abundance, love, and success. Affirmations are a powerful tool to help you align with your desires and attract everything you've been dreaming of. Start today, speak kindly to yourself, and watch as your reality begins to shift. If this video resonated with you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more empowering content. Your journey to a fulfilled life starts with the words you speak.